I think that hotspots are really cool because they're volcanoes, but they're not happening where you would think volcanoes should be happening, right? They're not happening at divergent plate boundaries, and they're not happening at convergent plate boundaries where one is going under, melting, and causing a volcano here. Hotspots are actually volcanoes that are occurring in the middle of a plate, so they're kind of weird. And basically, what it is this superheated spot in the mantle. And honestly, scientists don't really know why these places are superheated. So that's again one of those cool things about science is we kind of don't really know the answer. We just know that it's there. So basically, if like I use this later as an example, there's this super hot spot in the mantle. Okay. Yo, that was kind of hot. Um, okay. Not gonna burn my finger. So if you think about this as being like a tectonic plate, what happens is the hot spot, it actually doesn't move. So the hot spot is staying in the same place, and the plate is going to move over the hot spot. So this is all backwards to me, the way that the video is flipped. But if we start over here, basically the right here, the hot spot would be going. It would be creating this volcano right here, and on top, we'd get a little mountain. Oh, actually, it kind of burned my paper. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna set this thing on fire. Okay. So then what happens is over time, my plate is going to move. And now the hot spot didn't move, but the plate moved, and it's going to be right here. And then the plate's going to move, and the hot spot stays right here. Moves. Ooh! Can you guys see the smoke? Okay, so the hot spot stayed in the same place. The plate moved, and you can see that I created this island chain on the back of my little whiteboard thing. So you can imagine that if it stayed there for longer, it would have burned through. And if it was shooting out magma, it would have created little islands right there. So that's how all these little islands get created in places like Hawaii, where the Hawaii is in the middle of the plate. But as the plate moves over the hot spot, it creates this chain of islands that we can see. So I think that hotspots are super cool, and I'm really glad that I did not start a fire on this video.